Morning students, I hope you are safe at your home and continuously revising all the chapters and subjects. Okay students, so today we will start our class with the capital letters, full stop and question mark. Chapter 3. In your grammar book, take out page number 8 in your grammar book. Okay, so we will start it. Look at these pictures, read the sentences. Who is this girl? Father is asking, a man is asking, who is this girl? He is asking about this girl and this boy is going to answer about it. This is Salima. This is Salima. Is she in your school? Yes, she is in my school. Means there is a conversation as done between father and son. And they are asking about, he is asking about this girl. Okay. He is asking about that girl to this boy. Okay. So firstly we have to know what is quotient words, capital letters and full stop. The sentence is spoken by father. Ask something. Such sentences are known as questions. They are always ends in question mark. Question mark. This is the sign of question mark and full stop. Okay, now the sentences spoken by the boy say something. Such sentences end in full stop and in full stop, and these are capital letters as we all know. These are capital letters. Okay, so have you all knew about it? We will repeat it again. So means the sentences is spoken by father. He is a father and he is asking about that girl, and this is questions. This is questions. This is questions, and he is spoken about that girl. He is answering him about that girl, and these sentences are end up with full stop, end up with full stop. Okay. So let's do the exercise and we will revise it again. Okay. Page number 9. Page number 9. Okay. The first one is the A portion is about read these sentences, underline the questions. Read these sentences and underline the questions. Means there are so many sentences are there and we have to find out which sentence is questions and we have to put underline of it. Okay, underline of it. Okay, the first sentence is this is the nest of Mr. and Mrs. Crow. ये किसका घोंसला है? Mr. and Mrs. Crow का, Mr. और Mrs. कौवे का घोंसला है. ठीक है. We have seen full stop after this sentence. We have seen full stop after this sentence. So this sentence is not question. We will never underline. Okay, we will never underline this sentence. Okay, the next one is where is the nest? Where is the nest? Firstly we have to see question mark after the sentence. Okay, question mark. The second one is where is the nest and question mark. We have seen question mark after this sentence and this sentence is question. This sentence is question because we have learned before that the sentence is spoken by father ask something. Means the sentence has spoken by or asked something are known as questions. Ask something. When we ask something and when we see question mark after a sentence, this sentence will be question sentence. Okay, so we will put underline. Okay, after the sentence. Okay, the third one is also not a question because there is full stop. The fourth one is question, the sixth one is question, as the ninth one is question. So rest sentences you have to do at your home. Okay. Okay, the B portion is, move on to the B portion. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters, full stop and question mark wherever necessary. Wherever it is necessary, we have to put capital letter, we have to write capital letter, put full stop or put question mark, either full stop or either question mark. Okay. So the first one is, why are you late to the class? Okay. Sentence is something, asking about is something, asking about, and we will put question mark after it. We will put question mark after it, and we will start this sentence with using capital letter. We will start this sentence using with capital letter. First letter should be capital always. Either it is full stop sentence or question sentences. Okay. So the second one is, she is in the garden near the tall tree. A girl is in the garden near the tall tree. It's not asking something. It's not about asking something. It has spoken something about. Okay. बताया जा रहा है कि वो लड़की क्या है, गार्डन में एक लंबे पेड़ के पास खड़ी है. ठीक है. And first letter will be capital always, and we will put full stop after it because it's not about asking something. Okay. It has spoken. Okay. So rest sentences you have to do at your home. As you know, we have done 2 sentences and you have to do rest sentences at your home. This portion you have to do at your home. Okay. Okay. Take out the page number 10. Page number 10, the C portion. The C portion is about put a question mark or a full stop whenever necessary. So first sentence is, I like ice cream. I like ice cream. So we will put question mark or full stop after it. Yes, we will put full stop after it because it's not about asking something. It's not about asking something. The sentence has spoken about something. The sentence has spoken about something. So we will put full stop after it. Okay. Now look at the third one. When is your birthday? When is your birthday, or when is your birthday falls? Okay. So someone is asking about when is your birthday. तुम्हारा birthday कब है, जन्मदिन कब है. It means this sentence is about question, is about question. So we will put question mark after it. We will put question mark after this sentence. Okay. So students, so have you all got the points? Okay. So we will revise it again. A sentence that asks something and that end up with question mark, that sentence will be question. Okay. Sentence that say something and in a full stop is a normal sentences or affirmative sentences. Okay. So what we have done? We have done page number 9. 2 sentences of A portion, 2 sentences of B portion, 2 sentences in the page number 10. We have done 2 sentences of this portion, and rest sentences you have to do at your home. Whatever you have to do, what you have to do, you have to do all these sentences you have to write it at your home in your book and your notebook also. Okay students, thank you so much. Good day.